Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change brakes on a Cadillac CTS. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Safely lift the car and support it with jack stands. Then, remove the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Always prioritize safety when working under your vehicle. Now let's remove the old brake components. Begin by loosening the two caliper guide pins, typically 13mm bolts, and carefully remove the caliper from the rotor. Do not let the caliper hang by the brake line. Support it with a bungee cord or wire. Use a C-clamp to gently compress the caliper piston. Then, slide out the old brake pads and remove the rotor, which might require a few taps with a rubber mallet. With the old parts removed, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the hub surface thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure the new rotor sits flush. Install the new rotor, then insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they are correctly seated. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, then reinsert and tighten the two caliper guide pins. Ensure all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Almost done. Reinstall the wheel, ensuring the lug nuts are tightened in a star pattern to about 100 foot-pounds. Carefully lower your Cadillac CTS off the jack stands. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to seat the new pads and restore proper brake pressure. Take a short, slow test drive to ensure everything feels right. Remember to check the description below for a link to amazing deals on quality socks and other helpful tools for your next project. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.